everybody, what's going on? It's Chelsea Silverman here at Juiceteria, and we're going to go into something pretty exciting that usually the French do and they specialize in, but in the American it's called a confit. And it's a way to preserve your fruit to last up to months in the refrigerator as it soaks in its own juice and it becomes delicious. So what we're going to do here is I have some date water that we've been soaking, and I have cinnamon, some berries, some raisins, and we're just going to go ahead and make a little smorgasbord of confit, of fruit. And you guys can do this at home and always have a go-to snack that you know is safe to go to. So we'll take about a handful of raisins. We'll take another handful of blackberries, handful of raspberries, and we'll go ahead and take some strawberries. I'm gonna leave mine whole because I like to bite into the strawberry, and when this date water, when the strawberry soaks up all the date water over the next 24 hours, it's gonna taste amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put in my strawberries, add a little bit of cinnamon for some flavor flav, and there you go. You got a confit. All you gotta do is put it in a sealed container, something like this with a nice lock that will hold it fresh, and you can keep it up for months. So here you have it, an easy way to keep fresh fruit without any added sugar, white refined sugar, and it's to your health, so enjoy.